my name is Sheri and I'm here to talk to you about why to start a doTERRA Essential Oil business. Now don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button just below the bell so you don't miss out on my weekly videos. Today I want to talk and walk you through step by step how to grow your own doTERRA Essential Oil business at your own pace with limitless potential from home. Dream big, you were made for more. Now go create it. The future is in your hands. Some of you may already have your own doTERRA Essential Oil business and want to learn a little bit more. Some of you may be new to essential oils opportunity and you're here to dive in and see what's available. Maybe you have no intention but ended up using the products and fell in love with them. And now you actually ended up being very successful. A lot of people get started with a starter kit because they want to enjoy the discount and have their oils to use for their home, for their health, and their wellness, and never actually think of starting a business. Those are the people that actually end up reaching the ranks of Blue Diamond and Presidential Diamond with no intention from the beginning. To be successful in this, you have to be a product of the product and share them with other people. You will feel how these products make you feel. It will be hard not to share. It becomes a natural way to share instead of trying to force it. Genuinely love the products and you can't help but not share what's helping you and your family. It's what we do anyway. We recommend things that we love, really, and we're good at it. You might be in this by accident and you actually started to get some income from doTERRA. That is just how easy it is. Use this vehicle to dream big, attain it, and use it through doTERRA. It is so important to dream big again. What motivates you to take this to the next level? What is it that you want? Do you want your products paid for? Do you want an additional $500 a month, an additional $5,000 a month? What would that look like for you? If you had extra $3,000 a month to pay the bills, save some money for your kids' education, save for retirement, support an organization, what do you want? Let's discuss the benefits of starting an essential oil businesses and the advantages. First, you need to dream a why. doTERRA will help you achieve those dreams. This is not a job. This is bigger than that. This is more than a 9-to-5 salary job with a weekly salary. So time to start dreaming big. Just pause and dream about what your life would be like. What do you want your life to be like and how much do you need for it to look like that? Write down that goal, that number, that amount of what you want. The dream needs to have a meaning behind it to achieve it. This is a vehicle to take you there. Why are people attracted to this business? Well, they get to be their own boss. They get to work when you want and from anywhere you want. But then when you don't have someone to direct you, it can be hard. But don't worry, you have an upline and tons of support, and I'm here to support you. Now, this is something different by having somebody tell you to do something all day long by having your own boss. I'm going to teach you as fast as I can. Everyone that does things a little bit different, but there's a system to follow. And it's important to know. What are the biggest draws to achieve your dreams in this business? What you need to know, what you need to do, then to go teach it and then duplicate it. So I'm going to teach you. There's also some mistakes and rough patches along the way. So there's going to be bumps along the way because you are your own boss. So it's super easy to quit because of the low startup cost, but it's also easy because the low startup cost is easy to start. So once you have your starter kit, you are ready to start and teach a class, share these precious gifts with your family and friends. It's easy as opening a bottle of oil and sharing one drop. Another reason why I love it is because of such a low starter kit fee, you can start right away. Now, it's also easy to quit, like I said, because when it gets hard, it is your own business. But don't worry, there are mistakes along the way, and that will happen in any aspect of any business. Remember, you have tons of support. Now, success does come down to mindset and not letting fear and doubt run the show. All you need is a starter kit to launch. So start your journey to financial freedom. The compensation plan is genius. There's no overhead, there's no invoicing, there's no shipping. Recommend and get a thank you check from the company. It is so simple. Your check can be 6 figures a month. The sky is the limit, but it really depends on you. Now remember, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Nice thing is that you don't need any sales experience to get started. If you learn the skills and follow the system, you can be very successful. The perks are time freedom, residual income. Residual income is actually one effort that makes income but continues when a customer keeps ordering month after month and you keep getting paid. Amazing. Grow successful business by enrolling customers, helping your customers enroll their family and friends, start using the products. Be your own boss, benefits, time freedom, residual income, personal growth, make amazing friends. Okay, this might not be for everyone and it's not easy, but it's simple. So for now, it's time to get using your oils and falling in love with the products. There is a link below to get a starter kit or set up a call with me if you have more questions that you may have. I am here to help you. I can't wait for you to join me. Don't worry, I will hold your hand and guide you along the way in your doTERRA Essential Oil business. See you soon.